Want to make $100 a day online in 2025 using just free AI tools? Whether you're a beginner or just getting started, these 5 tools can help you earn from home. No camera, no editing, no tech headaches. Let's break it down. Welcome to CashBotPro channel, your guide to earning online with AI, automation, and beginner-friendly tools. In this video, we'll explore 5 ways to use AI to make money. Stick around to the end because we'll also show you how to combine them for powerful results. Tool 1 is ChatGPT. It writes blog posts, emails, video scripts, and more. You can offer writing gigs, create content for businesses, or sell ebooks and guides. Even at $25 per task, just 4 jobs a day gets you to $100. Simple. Tool 2 is Pictory. It turns text into full videos with music, stock clips, and voiceovers. Perfect for YouTube or TikTok. Post videos, build a channel, and earn through ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships. You don't need to be on camera at all. Tool 3 is Canva with Magic Studio. Use it to design social posts, thumbnails, or digital planners. You can sell your creations on Etsy or offer design gigs to content creators and small brands. With AI-powered tools inside Canva, it's faster than ever. Tool 4 is 11 Labs. Your voice without speaking. Type your script, choose a voice, and you've got a professional-sounding voiceover. Use it for YouTube narration, TikTok Reels, or freelance work. Tool 5 is Notion AI. Create productivity templates, habit trackers, and planners. Then sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. You can even offer workspace setup services for clients. To recap, ChatGPT for writing, Pictory for video, Canva for design, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Notion for selling templates. Start with one tool. Learn it, use it, grow with it. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Comment below. Which AI tool are you trying first? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next guide.